So what we've set out to do with the Severe Duty Brush Cutter is to make it so that it's able to achieve most of what you can achieve with a mulcher, yet be able to do some things a mulcher can't. Now, although this is not a direct replacement for everything that a mulcher can do, there's a lot of things it can achieve at a better rate of speed and at a lot less cost. The versatility has always been something we've been focused on at Blue Diamond with all our brush cutters. This brush cutter is able to cut up to 10-inch capacity and yet still mow grass very cleanly. One of the first things we focused on was using a very high quality motor. For this unit, we went with a radial piston motor that's 95% efficient. What that means is that it uses the oil coming to it from the skid steer in the very best way possible. This also means it runs much cooler in hot conditions, and then it also has a much better torque range. Besides just being a higher torque motor, it maintains its torque through its RPM range, making it one of the most powerful units on the market. Next, we went with a 1-inch thick serrated blade carrier. The size and mass of this blade carrier is what helps carry it through very difficult material. The serrated edge will help process material, mulch finer, and keep from getting branches hung up above the blade carrier. It'll move them around and chop them up, spit them out. We went with the drop-down blade versus a straight blade for a number of reasons. A straight blade usually is sandwiched between two sections of blade carrier. What that means is as the blade cuts, you've still got a section of blade carrier below your straight blade, so that all that is creating resistance on what hasn't been cut, creating a lot of back drag and extra work for your brush cutter. So by having your cutting surface much lower than your blade carrier, you're much more efficient. Another reason is from the surface of your blade to the bottom of your deck is a critical point, because if you're cutting close to your deck, your material is all bent over and you're working much harder than you need to. By giving more distance here, you're cutting more at the base of your material and again being more efficient. Some of the other features that this brush cutter has is the protected motor. We have a full hood over our entire drive system. Our drive bearings are packed with grease versus oil, which is much more reliable. Then we have a pressure gauge. This allows the operator from inside the cab to be able to see exactly how hard he's pushing the brush cutter. This is a great tool for efficiency, knowing when you can push it harder, knowing when you need to back off. And of course, we have this nice step for entering and exiting your machine. Overall, this brush cutter is the top of its class because of all these features in it. Please look at our other videos online to see how it performs in various conditions.